All right, we're going to learn how to add and subtract complex numbers. Now, complex number have two components, the real part and the imaginary part. A signifies the real part, and BI signifies the imaginary part. B would be a real number, and I equals the square root of -1, which is the imaginary part. Okay? Now, we'll look at an example on how we would add and subtract. Let's say we have -4 plus I minus -8 minus 5I. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is to get rid of the brackets. Before we can drop the brackets on -4 plus I, we have to look in front of the brackets. It's positive, so we can just drop the brackets there. So that's the same as -4 plus I. Okay. Now we have to be careful with the second part here because we're subtracting all of the terms that are inside the brackets. We're going to subtract the -8, but we're going to subtract the -5I as well. So if we subtract -8, that's the same thing as adding 8. And if we subtract -5I, that's the same thing as adding 5I. Okay. And now we can collect like terms. So we have a -4 here, and we have a +8. So -4 plus 8 is 4. And we can look at the imaginary part. We have a plus I here, and a plus another 5I. 1I plus 5I's is 6I. So we have 4 plus 6I, which is the final answer. And we can see that the answer is in the form A plus BI, A being 4 plus 6I, which is the BI part.